Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be an unboxing. I'm just on finishing off my makeup. I'm just doing my hair. I am not at all really happy with this. Now then, this is from Revolution and it is the black, is it black eyeliner? Look at that. It is a mess. I only bought this yesterday, used it once, and it just didn't really do anything. It badly coloured. Would not at all recommend it. It is, I will tell you what it is. It is the Double Flick Liquid Eyeliner by Makeup Revolution, and it's just no god, really. Right, but this is an unboxing. I won't be trying these products out because these are going for my 500 subscribers giveaway. So yeah, there you go, you see it. This is the Medusa makeup box. So I got this from a America. It was $26.21 in British UK pounds. But so yeah, and it is completely vegan, cruelty free. Oh my gosh, my fringe has a mind of its own, but there we go. And it's completely cruelty free, vegan. It is really good. So here is what the 500 subscribers will get. It comes in a really nice box and it does say Medusa makeup on it. So let's get into the box. And first of all, what I'm seeing is this. It's like yellow covering. Yellow crepe paper is the first thing. So let's pull this out. Right, so I don't want that just yet. It comes with a card. Right, so then we're gonna open it like so. And it comes like this. Oh wow, oh these are pretty. So there you go. There is the contents of it. And what we've got is, I'm not going to open these at all. I'll swatch them because they are for a giveaway. So I'll just see what is in here. And we have got a Medusa purple eyeshadow. Can you see that? That is really pretty box. And it looks to be like a pretty colour. This is the Totally Baked eyeshadow, cruelty free, and it's vegan. This is made in PRC. It is Medusa Makeup Chicago. So there we go, there is one. By the way, I checked online with these, and one of these is £10. I've got 1, 2, 3 in here, I think. I've got 3 in here. I'm sure I've got 3. No, I've got 1 eyeshadow, and this is a, what is it? This is the eye primer Stick It. So there you go, there is an eye primer. Then we have got, now this looks really glittery. Really pretty. Oh wow, oh wow, look at that pretty glitter. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's so pretty. Right, that's amazing, I like it. Right, so okay, so the next item, what we have is, we have a Medusa lipstick. So this is, like I said, I'm not going to open it. This is in the shade Rio. Maybe I will just give you a little peek of it, but I won't swatch it. I am not going to swatch it at all, but this is in the shade Rio. Will you please come out, be nice to me, please? Oh, there we go. I nearly broke a nail, but it's out. Oh, wow, it is broken. That's because of the heat. But there you go. Do you see the shade? That's just because of the heat. Right, okay, so it will probably fix. But there we go. And that is that. So that is the 500 subscriber giveaway products. I didn't swatch them, so they're brand new. And they're still going to be back in the box. Right, so this is all about the Medusa makeup. And by the way, I didn't pay tax at all, so there was no tax. So this is, so for the first item, this is $9. I've seen it already for £10. And it is the Radical, and it's $9. So this is also, this is the Stick It, and this is $9 too. So we're up to $18 on 2 items. This is the Medusa lipstick. Now this is $12. So we're up to $27. And then we got this is the glitter, which is $8. And all in all, it comes to the grand value, which is $38. So there we go, and you'll see it. And you can follow them on Facebook, they're on Twitter, they're on Instagram, and they're on, what's the other? Pinterest. And you just go hashtag Medusa Makeup to be featured on their webpage, is it? XOXXOX, www.medusamakeup.com. So this is the June beauty box, and it's cruelty free and completely vegan. Right, okay, so I am going to pop this back in the box, like so. So this is, the box is going back in the, by the way, it's been really hot here in the UK, so that is probably why that has melted a little bit, but it will get back, it will be fine. So yeah, so all you gotta do is, you must subscribe to my channel. Well, that is definitely a must. I mean, that's a no-brainer, is it? You must subscribe to my channel. You must press the like button. Follow me on Instagram and, where was it? Instagram, Twitter, and that is what you must do. I will leave all my Instagram and Twitter links down below. So this is the box. You want it, you must subscribe, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!